You are about to make the most ridiculous chocolate dessert of your life without even touching an oven. This no-bake Oreo dirt cake is the ultimate cheat code for looking like an absolute baking genius when you actually just smashed up some cookies in your kitchen. It brings back all those elite childhood memories of family parties, but honestly, it hits even harder now that you can make an entire batch for yourself. Plus, it takes almost zero effort and zero heat, which is a massive win. First, grab 2 big packages of Oreos. Take about 24 of those cookies, throw them into a large zip-top bag, seal it up tight, and absolutely destroy them with a rolling pin. You want a really good mix of fine sandy crumbs and big chunky pieces for that perfect crunch in every single bite. Make sure you save a handful of those crumbs for the very end. Next, get a mixing bowl and whisk together a small box of instant chocolate pudding mix with 2 cups of cold milk. If you want to be incredibly extra and make it richer, swap the regular milk for chocolate milk. Whisk it for a few minutes until it gets super smooth and creamy. Then just let it sit on the counter for 5 minutes to thicken up. Now we build this masterpiece. Get a clear glass bowl or a trifle dish so everyone can see the crazy layers you are about to make. Spread a thick layer of that chocolate pudding right at the bottom. Dump a generous layer of your crushed Oreos directly on top of that. Keep alternating your pudding and your Oreos until you run out of both. For the grand finale, spread an entire 8-ounce container of whipped topping right over the top layer. Take those crushed Oreos you saved earlier and sprinkle them all over the whipped cream so it actually looks like fresh dirt. You cannot have a proper dirt cake without the worms. Toss a bunch of gummy worms right on top so they look like they are crawling out of the cookie dirt. Throw the whole thing in the fridge for at least an hour to let the layers set and the flavors completely meld together. When you pull this out at your next hangout or late-night craving session, people will lose their minds over how good it is. You get all the rich, creamy, crunchy chocolate textures without ever turning on a stove.